How to fix AdBlock for Safari on Mac not uninstalling. To uninstall AdBlock for Safari on a Mac, you can follow these steps. Open Safari. Click on the Safari menu in the top left corner of the screen and select Preferences. Click on the Extensions tab. Find AdBlock in the list of extensions and click on the Uninstall button. Click on Uninstall again when prompted to confirm the removal. Alternatively, you can use a script file to uninstall AdBlock for Safari on a Mac. Here is a sample script file that you can use, #bin/bash. #uninstall AdBlock for Safari #remove AdBlock extension from Safari sudo rmrf/library/internet /adblock.safariextz. #remove AdBlock preferences defaults delete com.l1t.ablock Safari. #remove AdBlock support file sudo rmrf/library/application/support/adblock sudo rmrf/library/application/support/safari/extension/adblock.safariextz. Save the script file with a.sh extension, example uninstall_adblock.sh, and make it executable by running the following command in terminal, mod +x uninstall_adblock.sh. Then, you can run the script file by navigating to its directory in terminal and running the following command, /uninstall_adblock.sh. Note that the script will delete all AdBlock files and settings, so make sure to back up any important data before running the script.